So here's what my buddy's done to the Craftsman. Y'all have seen a couple videos of this, me pulling against it. He made some adapters, something he had at work, and reversed some of these old what he called VW wheels. They look old, whatever they are, and put some mud tires on it. It's still geared really low, he said. It needed some weight in the back, so he's got the engine sitting on it. I think he's wanting to put these wheels on it and take the small ones off. Maybe spread the front out some like I did. But it's pretty tough. I like it. Told him he still needed to do a pulley swap. Somebody wanted to see the rear end on this thing and asked me what it was. It's out of a golf cart, I was told. I don't know what kind, which one, but